Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the Microsoft Bing image creator feature that's now available in the sidebar. So we did a video on the image creator website itself, which you could see here. You could just type in whatever you like. So let's say a robot clown playing guitar. Click on create. And then while that's creating, you can see the recent activity you've tried here. So here's the results, like that. So pretty simple to use. But now, if you use the Edge sidebar, which we have here, if you go to the plus sign here to add features, you can now enable the image creator. And then when you click on it, so let's go back out here, click on the image creator button. Now we have the same type of thing, just in the sidebar, so you could do it from any website you're on, so you don't have to go to the Bing site and then do it. You could just start it up anytime you like. So let's try it from here. Let's try the same one. All right, so we got some different results, but kind of similar here. And once again, you can see your recent. Then, of course, if you like one, you could click on it to open it up in this window here, and then you could share it, save it, or download it. So here's the 1024 by 1024 will be your image size. Then if you want to go back to some of your older ones, you could load them up there, bring it up in the screen, and do the same thing. So it's a pretty cool little feature. You get some pretty good results with this compared to some of the other ones you find online. But the best part about adding it to the sidebar is you could be on any website and then just bring it up whenever you like I said, rather than having to go to the Bing.com image creator itself. Then when you're done, you just close it up, and you could browse away like normally, and then when you want to use it again, no matter where you are, just click on that, type it in, and you're good to go. All right, so once again, just go to the plus sign, look for image creator, turn it on to enable it, and then you can just click on it and use it whenever needed. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.